Okay, we're going to look at a couple special applications of percent. And our first example is if you receive a pay increase of 12%, what's your new pay rate, assuming your old rate was 16.8%? So what we're going to do is look for your raise. How much are we going to get? We want to find out what, I'm going to use my is over of, sorry. We're going to find out 12% of 1680, and that was 12% over 100. So again, I can go back to the is over of equals percent over 100, or a lot of you probably can do this a different way, but this is just one way to do it. Then we get 100x equals 12 times, I don't have that worked out, 1680, but we find that our amount of our pay raise is $2.016. Of course, we're talking about dollars and cents, so you need to round that to the nearest cent. So we're just going to round that up to 2 cents. So this is the amount of your pay raise. Now remember, this is where we're going to have a little twist in a lot of these problems. This is not your answer. What's your new pay rate? So we're going to add this answer to the original 1680 that we got. If I add those two together, we're going to have a new pay rate of $18.82, and that would be my final answer. Okay, the next problem, a little similar. We're looking at some type of variation of a percent. This is similar to our our copy problem when we were running brochures. If you think of an item as being marked 30% off, that means you are paying 100 minus 30%. You're going to pay 70%. So 70% is what the percentage that we're looking at is. So I'm going to set this up. We're paying, the 70% is the sale price, which is 101.50 out of the unknown original price. So when I multiply these, 70x equals 101.50. I get a sale or original price of $145. The final problem has to do with measurement. We're taking a measurement of 1.58 inches. It has a tolerance of plus or minus 0.002 inches. So the maximum measurement would be 1.58 plus that tolerance. So it could be as large as 1.582, or it could be as small, if I subtract, as 1.578. So that would be my maximum and my minimum. The percent tolerance, we can change as much as 0.002 out of that 1.58 equals the percent over 100. Okay, this is our is over of equals percent over 100, part over the whole, and that's going to give us 1.58. X equals 0.2. So my percent tolerance when I divide there is going to be, I think I've rounded it to 0.13, 0.13.